Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So, I'm so excited because today we're going to be trying this thing out. If y'all have seen this, this is Longe's newest tool that they just released. This is called the Ceramique. I probably am not saying that right, but basically it's like a super good flat iron that also you can use as a curling tool because it's rounded on the edges. I saw some girls demoing this thing and they had long hair and it was actually working on their hair. So I'm like, okay, here's something else I got to try. So we're gonna be trying that out today. Also, side note, my hair is like looking super silky right now, y'all, because I just did a video testing out this new brush that I got sent to me to try. Woo! It's got some hair in it. From this company called Roused, I think is how you say it. But they sent me this brush for free. They sent me this little scrunchie. They wanted me to try it out and do a video on it. And y'all, this thing is insane. So y'all go check that video out to hear all about the crazy technology behind this thing and see how good it works, but I'm shocked. Anyways, get back on track. What are we talking about? Oh yeah, okay. So, Longe. So, FYI, I am not affiliated with Longe in any way. I just like to test out their products from like a real person's perspective and give y'all an honest review on how I think it works. So, without any more chit chat, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have not opened this box yet. This is what it looks like when it comes to you. On the back, it's got like directions and info. Let's just get right to the good stuff. Okay, so when you open it, this is what it looks like. So pretty. They had a couple colors. I think they had like black, white, and blush, maybe. So, get this thing unwrapped. Ooh, I will say the cord feels better on this one than on my other tools from them. It's like thinner and it moves a little easier. So, all right, we're plugged up. This one is different. So it's got a power button on the inside. Okay, and then we got a little dial here to change our temperature. So it goes from 250 all the way up to 450. Y'all know I always put mine on 450. Just because I like the hottest and fastest it can go. We're gonna let that heat up. It's flashing. I'm assuming maybe when it stops flashing, that means it's ready. But a little bit about it, so it's rounded on the edges. Supposedly that helps you to curl without leaving a crease. And it's supposed to be like a one-pass straightening technology. So if y'all are like me, when you straighten your hair, you like straighten one section like 3 times before you move on to the next one. But with this, supposedly, you only have to go over it one time and it's like super done. Silky, perfect. So, okay, it stopped flashing. So yeah, that must mean it's ready. It does also have an automatic shut off after, I think it said like 60 minutes or something like that. Yeah. So after an hour of non-use, then it shuts off. I really wanted to test it out for the curling aspect, not necessarily the straightening aspect, but for the sake of testing out the straightener part of it, my hair's already really straight. I do have some like lumps and bumps right here. Let me see how well it actually straightens. Ooh, it definitely feels really good in my hand. And it grips way better than their other stuff. Ooh, that straightened actually really good. Like normally I would have to go over this section a couple times. Like this is how I would normally straighten. But the first pass actually did a good job. And I can definitely tell a difference in like the grip of it, if that makes sense. Like it really clamps down on there and gets like a good pregnancy brain, y'all. A good pass, a good grip when it straightens. It definitely feels good. So let's get to the curling part because that's really what I'm like most excited to try. I am gonna pull up half of my hair. Also, just to point out, the makeup, if you like this makeup. This is the Unique makeup that I tried out in my latest video, trying out their new stuff. And I really loved everything. So usually on a day-to-day basis, I'll just throw on that makeup because it's quick and easy and it's just like a natural look. So if y'all like this look, that's what I did. Y'all can go check out that video. So I've got my bottom half out. That don't sound right. I got a bottom layer of my hair out. Now, I don't know if it's going to make a difference whether we curl with this thing pointed down or up, because if y'all watched my video testing out the Duo, when I tried it the first time curling with it up, which is what felt natural to me, the curls did not turn out right. Then I tried it with this trick that people were saying, did another video and curled it with the one facing down, and y'all, it was like a night and day. I hope this thing don't matter which way we point it, but we'll try it both ways and see. Okay, so the first strand of hair, start back here, get a good chunk. And so right now I've got it pointing up. We'll see if it works. So supposedly you twist and you pull down. Ow, and it got stuck somehow. Let's try this again. Okay, so I think I got too much hair. So you stick your hair in, twist it. I like my curls to go back, and then pull it down. And then the girl I watched left a little bit out like that. All right, so I'm getting the same kind of result that I got with the Duo the first time when I pointed it up. So I'm wondering if we should try it pointing down. I used to curl my hair with a straightener in high school, and I was so good at it. Like, I had it down, and now I feel like, I don't know, I'm like out of the loop when it comes to it. It's just harder for me to do it with it down for some reason. No, that did not work at all. That hair might just be worn out. Let's try it with another piece. We'll wrap it, pull down, let it out. Okay, that one looks a little bit better. Alright, so I pointed it down. See, like it starts curling, then it's like nothing, and then there's a curl at the bottom. I want to get this thing to work. You know what? I'm going to try it with it up. It's like the ends get really good, but the top, not so much. Which is the same issue I was having with the Duo until I pointed it down. I just don't know. Struggle with these things every time. Y'all can see all the different curls that I've gotten so far. Like some that are just at the bottom, but super curly. And then I've got like this one that's like a loose wave. Don't know. Aggravated is what I am. I'm just getting it at the bottom. Let me go look at one of the other girls, watch what she's doing real quick, and kind of get a refresher and come back and see. Okay, so I just watched the girl doing her hair again, and I don't see her doing anything different than what I'm doing. So I don't know. I really don't. Like, maybe it just does the ends really well. I did notice that her curls were a lot looser, so maybe I just expect their curler to be like, I don't know, more curly. But maybe it's just gonna do like looser curls like that. So I don't know. Also noticed her hair is not nearly as long as mine is. I don't know, I was thinking it was, but watching it back I realized like her hair stops like up here. So when she's only starting her curl like here and her hair ends here, it's like the perfect length for the curl to be just kind of halfway down into the end. So this is kind of what you're going to get with this if you have really long hair, I think. Unless you found a trick, y'all please comment down below and let me know. Y'all know, the last tool I tried, I didn't think it worked, and then after y'all told me about that trick and I tried it, it did really good. Okay, see, that one's pretty. Maybe I'll get better at it. Who knows? Ooh! I think I just figured it out. Look at that! I think I just figured it out. Okay, hold up. Struggling. Okay, that's not working. This piece just don't want to curl for nothing. I'm getting hot. Ow. Oh, it's hot. And then that one turned out pretty. Oh, I swear my eyelids are sweating. Okay, well, this is the bottom layer. I just don't know. I'm gonna move on to this top layer and see if we can get some better results with this. See, that one's pretty. Almost like if you take it out higher up, the curl looks better and you don't go down all the way to the end. Ooh, look how pretty that one turned out. I don't know. There's definitely an art, like a science behind how you twist this thing, but I just am struggling a little bit with figuring it out. Okay, I'm kind of getting the hang of it, I think. Couldn't tell you. Maybe I wasn't holding it long enough. I'm gonna attempt to hold it for a longer time just to see if that makes a difference. Okay, so that helps. Maybe if you have long hair, you just have to hold it for a longer time. Twist, hold, pull down, twist, hold. See, that one looks better. Maybe the trick is hold it for a really long time. Not really long, but like hold it for a longer time to get more of a curl higher up, because that looks way better. Okay, so actually what I've just found is if you use their heat shield, which normally I don't like to use because I feel like it makes my hair feel like straw, but I just put some in my hair, brushed it through, and look, like it's doing a lot better. So maybe it just needs that extra hold if you're curling a lot of hair with, because now it's turning out really pretty. Also taking like super thin strands, and I'm not twisting as much either. Y'all see that? Like it's working a lot better with the heat shield in conjunction with, like look at that. So the heat shield definitely helps, and then super thin strands. Don't twist it as much, which you'd think twisting it more would make it more curly, but no, don't twist as much. And look, there's the trick right there. So I'm gonna show y'all on this side. So I haven't put my heat shield in yet, and this is just their rival heat shield. Also, how cute are these nails? Y'all can shop through my link down below in the description if you're interested. So put some heat shield in, brush it through. I'm not recurling all my hair, just like a few strands on top that show, because that looks so pretty, I think. So pretty. Okay, look at the difference. Heat shield, thin strands. Don't twist as much. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a super thin. Okay. Make sure to let the heat shield dry a little more on that one. Look at that, so much better. So much more curl at the top. Just bring it down slowly. Look, so much better. Look at this. So much better. So super thin pieces definitely help. And then just like twist once and pull down. Way better. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, y'all, look how much prettier that is. Wow. Definitely way prettier. Way better. So, we found it. We got it. We figured it out. So, if y'all have this tool and you've tried it out and you can't figure out why it is not working on your long hair, there's the trick. I'm so glad we figured it out. I think it turned out really pretty now. Love. So, turned out so pretty. I'm so glad we figured this thing out. Hopefully this helps some of y'all. And if y'all liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, y'all please subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.